This could be another patent that I just found. All right, let's see what we got going on here. It's the drop key. I'm assuming it's going to be another patent. This is right next to the other one. Oh, what the hell? That looks like a Dover door track. This one is... Whoa. It's pitch black up here. I'm gonna turn the flash real quickly. I don't think that's the brand. I don't think this even has a brand. No, it's not the brand. This is no brand, but I'm just gonna assume it's a patent. Here's the cap. Look at that little indicator. Oh. Hold on. Okay, well, it was through another door. Okay, well, that's it.